So in order to be really efficient in your customer support operations, you want to manage all the communications and conversations that you have with your clients in one single admin panel or software. So if you're talking to your clients on Facebook Messenger, on email, or on Instagram, you want to make sure that all of these conversations happen from one place. And the next step is to map all these conversations through Gorgias or another help desk to their Shopify profiles. You want to have that visibility of the client's information in every conversations that you have on any channel. And this can really only happen if you're using a help desk software. If you're going directly in your email client, such as Gmail or your Facebook admin manager page to manage those conversations, it gets really cluttered and nothing is really mapped back into Shopify. So you're losing a lot of time shuffling through windows in order to try to solve your basic customer inquiries.